I'm getting this rug for our hallway. I just wish it was a little bit longer. And then there's these two options as well, but I like the colors on this one a lot more. But this is the only one they have, and I need two. And I don't like having rugs that don't match.
I want you to get worried, and I don't want you to get stressed if you're finding too many words. Slow down. So far, how many of these words did I actually use in the course? Be able to keep up with the vocabulary depending on how quickly you're going about it. Take it slowly. It's not, doesn't mean that you have to have memorized all the vocabulary. Or she is a trader. And now we bring on to the next one. A little difficult to find a picture for this one, but this is Mudir. There's actually a lot of different words for manager in Arabic depending on what you call university, the whole thing, there's a different name. If you manage
I'm in World Gift Center right now, and National Day is coming up soon, so they have a bunch of decorations and like flags and everything. I love this. I actually came in here to look for new water bottles for Maddie and Omar because they broke theirs. We found the water bottles in City Market, and now we're in Viva to get some groceries. I just came back from dropping the kids off at school. Fridays is a shorter day, so I'm gonna have to go and pick them up around 12 again. Alhamdulillah, I don't really have anything planned for the morning. I'm gonna sit down and read a couple of pages from the Quran because that's how I love to start my day. And also, I'm gonna try to finish this book because my friend Farah has monthly halaqas at her place where we go through Islamic topics and books, and this month I got to choose the book, and I chose Reclaim Your Heart by Yasmin Mujahid, which I'm sure almost everyone has at least heard of if you haven't read it. It's a really good book and I really recommend it. It's so easy to read and it's short. The chapters are short, so you get through it quite quick. Also, my friend is traveling today and she's gonna be gone for a couple of days, which means I got to take care of her cat. He's sitting right there actually by the window, which is his new spot. We got him yesterday, and he's just been scoping out the place, and he's sitting in the window watching all the cars drive by, and it's so cute. But I'm just so happy that he feels comfortable already because he's walking around and he's not hiding or anything. The kids got to meet him this morning and he was fine with them as well. Usually my kids get a little bit overhyped, but they were so good with him, alhamdulillah. So yeah, I have a little friend to spend my mornings with, which is really nice. This is Coco. Aww. He's checking the place out. He's so cute. We'll be having him for a couple of days until my friend is back.